Hey everybody, Lorraine here. It is a Tuesday evening here, and I am going to do a Valentine's Day themed pour. Colors that I'm going to use are a permanent red from Master's Touch. I don't know if you can see these. A gold from Master's Touch. And I have my black mixed up here. I'm going to do a flip cup with some silicone in it. I've got an 8x10 canvas here. So I figure I need approximately 4 ounces of paint. And this is a 5-ounce cup. So let's get started. Put a little bit of black in to begin. And I'm just going to layer it up. Gold. Permanent red. Oops, I have my coconut hair serum here. Put a couple drops of that in. 3 in for now. Yep, 4 went in. We'll go with 4. Some more gold. Finish off that gold. Probably finish off this red. And put just a couple more drops of this in there, the hair serum. Top it off with some black. I'll give it a stir. Get that dimethicone in there. I'm going to put a little bit of black on my canvas where I'm going to flip it. So I really don't want that silicone to hit the canvas first. So it's kind of okay. So here we go. Give that a minute to settle down there. Maybe put a little bit on here so that it has a little help to travel. Hoping I get some nice big cells in this one. I think I had pretty even amounts of my colors there. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, it looks really pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Cover my edges, my corners here a little bit. Wow, looks really pretty. Some nice cells coming out. I'm going to move it around just a little bit. Boy, that gold just looks gorgeous in there. It's beautiful. It's really neat little webbing right here with the red and the gold, where the red's coming up over the gold. Don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it all. So I'm going to put some more black around the edge here. Moving it as slowly as possible. I get so interested in looking at what's happening with it, I forget to see if you're in the frame, if I've got the canvas in the frame or not. Catch that and put it back. See if I can do the same thing with this corner. Very cool, very cool. Bring it up around this corner. There we go. I am happy with the way this is looking so far. Messy, messy though. Okay. There's already some really neat cells going on in here, but I'm going to take my torch. See what else we have. A lot of air bubbles coming through. Touch up my edges here a little bit. Very nice, very nice. Okay guys, well I'm going to let it set for a minute here. See what pops out. And I'll come back and show it to you. Okay, so here we go. Set for a couple of minutes. It doesn't look like a lot has changed. Get you in for a close-up here. Really like the way the gold is popping up through. You can see the black in the background. Some of that webbing. It's Some really cool looking lines there. Turned out very pretty. Well guys, thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate you coming to watch me paint. If you would like, share, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Bye.